How to fix Facebook dating not showing up. In this video guys we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So guys, first you need to do, you have to go and open the settings of your device, then open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this. Scroll down and click on storage. On storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to click on first stop and click OK. And now go to permissions option, then go to files and media. Allow access to media only, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.